Hi everyone, today I'm doing a vlog, so I'm doing a show at the Naugatuck Event Center. And the door just opened! Oh my god! Wait, I'll try to reverse the camera. Okay, well, there, you can see it.
What? Oh,
okay, well, the door only opened halfway. It's a truck loading service.
who knows?
There you go. So now we're gonna wait. We've been waiting here for half an hour, maybe 40 minutes. We didn't get any information on the show. But I brought my Hobie notebook to draw in, so that's good. I'll see you inside. Hey everyone, I finished setting up. It took a little bit. It's a little difficult moving in here, but we did it. So let's take a look at my booth. Oh no. How do I? Alright, I'm gonna pause it and flip it. Here goes my little checkout table with my sign. Got some pins, patches, stickers, my bags. Got a beautiful piece. I actually brought it at the craft fair. Have some hats out here, and I'm running a special where everything's half off. So you can get lots of good stuff. Some biddies, shoes, welly wisher items, elf clothes. Get a cute tree my mom decorated. I even brought some auras. Gnomes, sewing supplies, gnomes. Then we get into the AGs. Oh, a TARDIS puzzle. I know, super random. Some socks. More auras. It's really nice. I'm hoping for a great show today. We'll see how it goes. Here, have a little bit of a view. Action cam. Whoa. I have a feature called Action Cam. That's nice. Oh, I like this. Oh yes, my mom's sitting right in the middle of the walkway, because why not? Didn't have space through the extra chair. Wow, that's a nice picture. I'm gonna take a picture. There we go. So things have been kind of slow, so I've been drawing. Thinking of making this chibi Doberman pin after Jungkook's dog, Bam. Make him glittery. How cute would that be? Hey guys, I forgot to vlog while I was breaking down. It was a lot, but I did it. The day was wouldn't do it again. But I had a lot of fun, met some nice people, got some good gifts. But I came to Target and wanted to show you the doll section. So let me turn the camera around. I've never seen the doll section in front of bedding, so this is cool. Look at that. Look, I've never seen these big furniture pieces here either. It must be for the holidays. Look how cute. Little grill. Should get it for JK, so he can grill his fish. And his skewers, his lamb skewers. Look at these dolls. So adorable. I like her. I like their faces, but I don't like the way their bodies are made. Let me know how you like the Our Generation dolls. Look at her eyes. Oh, brushes. Always useful. Someone back there. Alright, hope you liked my little Target vlog too. See you later. Of course, every time I come to Target, I go to the music section. Look, there's always this one Lonely School Love Affair album. There's even Coldplay's new album. There's always these Super M CDs. They've been here forever. Looks like Map of the Soul's completely gone. Oh, 17. Another NCT album. All my K-pop fans. And there was some Twice albums at the end. Almost ran into someone with that. Oh, cute. Alright, see you later again.